Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make DakGalbi, which is spicy chicken stir fry. Let's get started. Before I start, I wanna give a shout out to It's Me who requested this episode. This one is for you. To get started, we need 500 grams of chicken breast. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. I like my chicken to be chunky, so I'm cutting it into 3 cm wide slices. I'm using chicken breast because I'm on a diet, but if you can, I recommend chicken thighs. Put the chicken to the side and get some fresh ginger, a 2 cm round piece. Crush it with your knife and mince it finely. Dak means chicken and galbi means rib, so DakGalbi means chicken ribs. It was invented as a cheap alternative to beef or pork galbi. Now we need 3 small hot peppers. Slice 2 thinly and dice the last one. DakGalbi was invented in Chuncheon City in the 1960s in a small restaurant. One day the owner of the restaurant couldn't get any pork, so instead of pork, she sliced the chicken ribs like a pork ribs and cooked it like galbi. Since it was very cheap, it became really popular with soldiers from the army base there and became famous throughout Korea. Put them to the side. We also need 1 fresh leek. Chop the bottom half into 4 cm long pieces. Then slice each in half and slice each piece thinly from top to bottom. DakGalbi is so famous that there is even a DakGalbi festival in Chuncheon. If you want to enjoy the festival, make sure to go in a late April. For the top part of the leek, simply chop at an angle into 3 cm long pieces, just like this, and put to the side. Now we need about an 1/8 of the cabbage. Chop into inch-wide chunks and put to the side. DakGalbi has evolved a lot since it was invented. Now there's a cheese, tortilla, and even pizza DakGalbi. Next, we need 1 potato. Skin it. Cut it in half. And slice it half. And slice it half again. And put it to the side. Now we need a small handful of fresh Perilla leaves. Take off the stems and cut the leaves from bottom to top into 2 cm wide slices. You can also leave the leaves whole and make the lettuce wrap with them later. Now we are going to prepare our sauce. We need 3 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 2.5 tablespoons of gochujang, red pepper paste, and the minced ginger and hot pepper we prepared earlier. I eat DakGalbi for lunch with my coworkers a lot because we get so stressed from work. Eating spicy food is really good at letting all your stress out. If you eat DakGalbi at a restaurant, make sure to ask for fried rice right before you're done. They will use the DakGalbi leftovers to make a killer fried rice. We need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix it well. Give it a taste. Ooh. Pour the sauce onto the chicken we prepared earlier and mix it well. Make sure the sauce is spread evenly so that the chicken can marinate well. Then, cover the bowl in plastic wrap and put in the fridge. We're gonna marinate this in the fridge for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, get a big pan. Throw in some vegetable oil and set to medium high. We're going to cook our potato first for several minutes. I'm cooking potato first because potato takes a long time to cook. After 3 to 5 minutes, add in the chicken, marinade, and 1 cup of water. It's hard to find the original style of DakGalbi in Korea now, but if you go around Chuncheon, you can still easily find the old style of DakGalbi. You can't have it with the fried rice. but it's still worth the trip for the original authentic flavor. 2 cloves of minced garlic, and bring to a boil on high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. We're gonna wait until it boils, so let's start the fact. Kwon's corners, fact time. So shame. Chicken galbi was invented in the 1960s as a cheap alternative to beef galbi. It was originally made using chicken ribs, which were only 10 cents per rib. When it was invented, it was advertised as the university student galbi. Originally, DakGalbi was cooked on charcoal grill, but these days, it's also commonly pan-fried with veggies. Now we're going to add in our cabbage and duck, Korean rice cake. This is the same as the rice cake we used in our tteokbokki recipe. You can watch here. Cook for about 2 minutes. Then, we're going to add the hot pepper, perilla leaves, and leek. Make sure to save a little bit of leek and perilla leaves for the end. You can add different kind of vegetable if you like. Just get creative. Cook for 3 to 5 more minutes, then give it a try. Be careful, it's pretty hot. Pour your DakGalbi into a large plate or bowl, and for finer touch, decorate with the leftover sliced leek on top, and sliced perilla leaves all around the bowl. I heard cheese DakGalbi is really popular with foreigners, especially Japanese. The cheese neutralizes the spiciness, so even if you're not good at eating spicy foods, you can still enjoy it. That's it. Our DakGalbi is all ready to eat. Let's try it. It's so spicy. I like that. It tastes so good. It's spicy and sweet. In Korea, if you go to a restaurant, they usually give the perilla leaf on side, so you eat it with it, like making the perilla leaves wrap. But since I cut it on the side and I'm eating like together, it's way more comfy and it tastes so good. Let's try it out. Sometimes I think this kind of dog is better than a tteokbokki. They put rice cake in a jimta or DakGalbi or any other like Korean food. It tastes so good. They soak all the marinade and it's still chewy and it's so good. Perfect for food. Potato is so savory and spicy and I really like it. Good thing about DakGalbi is there are a lot of things that you can eat. There are so many. There's like a potato, chicken, duck, all other veggies. So you should definitely try. See you next week. 안녕! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. Then I will make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!